With temperatures in the 90s and heat indexes even higher, it's not a good time to be without air conditioning. But the extreme heat and humidity is often responsible for air conditioners breaking down. At times like these, technicians say it's especially important to keep your filters and condensers clean.
They work that much harder, with the humidity. They're having more struggles, so we're just not giving them a break, and that's what's making them fail, keeping us busy.
Should your system overheat, experts say it's important to call a professional immediately instead of trying to fix it yourself.